Holmarc Screen-Based Apparatus for Diffraction Experiments, model HO-ED-D-01, is an essential educational instrument for studying diffraction effects. This apparatus allows students to conduct various diffraction experiments, enabling the calculation of small diffraction element sizes. It includes a monochromatic laser, an anodized optical rail, a kinematic laser mount, and a cell mount for positioning diffraction elements such as slits, wires, or gratings. The apparatus also features a screen for observing diffraction patterns and a slit box for easy swapping of different diffraction elements. Key experiments include determining the width of single slits, double slits, a single thin wire, cross wires, wire meshes, transmission gratings, and the size of a circular aperture. The experiment begins by placing the optical rail on a stable table and securing the kinematic laser mount to the rail. The laser module is then inserted into the mount and fixed in place. The cell mount is positioned next to the laser mount, with a single slit diffraction cell inserted. The diffraction pattern is observed and traced onto graph paper. The experiment is then repeated using different diffraction cells, including the double slit, single thin wire, cross wire, wire mesh, transmission grating, and pinhole cells. Holmarc Screen-Based Apparatus for Diffraction Experiments, model HO-ED-D-01. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.